It's never a good sign. Pretty cool. Oh, they're all over your back.
They are.
Yeah. I'm like looking for the queen.
It feels kind of airy back there. They must be fanning.
Yeah. They're helping. They're helping. Good bees. Over here, the ants are already attacking all the bees. They're just like, yeah, they're... Any bees that are trying to run away are getting attacked by ants. Sad. Right there's the virgin queen. Oop, shit. Did she just fly off? I think she did. Now I gotta wait for her to come back. Oh, what a stinker. I should have just squashed her. Okay, I waited long enough and she returned. Right there she is. But gotta make sure she's the only one. So I'm gonna get them a frame of brood from another hive.